William, take that Sophie TV. William. Curvy. Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. So jailbreaks update might be coming tonight or tomorrow morning. I have no clue about the lightning update. So there's like this one is this, so let me show you. The new Roblox lightning is just around the corner. You may as well call the game a jailbreak HE with this update. Check it out. I'm going to just call it jailbreak still. We are hoping to get it out to jailbreak this week. Roblox is still shooting. Well, we'll keep you up the update, and like also the Mall on the Grind is closing. Oh no! And then like this is not a Simo's tweet, so you know everything about that. But you know everything about that. I'm gonna cut the video. Fourth is the Roblox event. Okay guys, so the Roblox events are ending on May 13th, which is 3 days before it leaves. Oh my god. So that is it's a Monday, so Monday the 13th, boom, goes away. I have no clue about the Roblox event because I'm not on Facecam today. I'm on Nuncam. I'm on the recorder thing, so you can guys just see the update. And it says, so back on April 13th, this was the last event for Roblox. And on May 13th, boom, turning into the best Roblox things events. Because Sports Day 2019 is coming in June, so get ready for that. So I'm going to cut the video and let's play Hangout. Okay guys, we have arrived at Hangout. Woo! We'll like have like a few minutes at Hangout because you only record for 50 minutes. Just it will be about that because well we know everything about that. I have it. I named it Jal 26. There's an Ann merch at his shop, so I'm gonna buy one. Oh, what should I buy? There's a lot of boats in his cruise shop. The cruise shop. I'm gonna buy this. No, wait. Let's buy this. Yay, my balance now fines. Yay. Woo! I'm gonna try this. If it works, it could be cool for me. I will only wear this for Anne Roblox. And it's time to friend. And the friend is going to be. And it is going to be. This man. No. It's this man. Instead. We're waiting to wait if we friends me. No, everyone doesn't want to friend me. Okay, I'm just gonna follow them instead. End it! Shut the door! I'm gonna cut the video! If I was, so I had to reset and it could be back to the lag design. I friended a girl! Okay, we're gonna follow them now. Let's follow this guy. Follow this guy. Have we followed this girl? Yeah, I followed this girl. And follow this guy. Yay! Yay! Subscribe to everybody's gaming bell, but it's not uploading. And yeah, guys, if you're today, this is the brand new jailbreak. Go to the trouble doing too. But why is it laggy? Okay, this video is quite going to be a little bit laggy because the recorder does, because I'm sitting right there. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, the notification button, and with you. And guys, I need to go now. Bye. Say bye, Jay. Wait. I'm gonna show you some cool tricks. No. Cool trick time. No. Bye, guys. See you in the next video. In the POV, it's going to be space missions in a minute. Bye. Say bye, Jay. Bye. See you in space mission next week. No, this week.